Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Hey guys, Ethan here, and today we're going to be cleaning the wheels some more, get all this, the rest of this black paint off and this layer of just general gunk. See on this side, this was the side behind the sprocket. It's got all this like grease and dirt back there that I can't really get to. So yeah, today basically all the tools you're going to need is some of this paint stripper. You can get this at Home Depot for about $9. And a paintbrush, and it's like little small wire brush ends, so you can like get in here like this, like that. So yeah, but as you can see, I got them a lot cleaner with the oven cleaner, but I can't get like all the cracks and nooks and all the like stuff down here out. But also I got the sprocket a lot cleaner too. So I mean, let's get started. Basically you want to be in the shade to do this. I don't know why, but I mean it says it on the directions just to be in the shade, so I guess we're just going to do it in the shade. So basically what you want to do is start by shaking it up pretty good. Just to get it like mixed up, and then let's go to the top. How do you even do this? Just say turn. Okay, so you have to do the press down and turn thing. Can you get this off? I'm starting to feel like a retard. What the heck? Press down, turn. It's like a medicine bottle times 4. I'll be right back once I get this cap off. Alright, so now I got both these side of the wheels painted with the zip strip. So now I'm just going to do the sprocket. As you can see, the sprocket's pretty much done, but as you can see, there's like, it originally was like the gold color, so I'm going to get all this off. So, yeah, let's do that now. Same process. And this will use my finger just to start it. Seems to be a little bit easier with a paintbrush. Like that. Take a zip strip, just get like that, just paint it around. And if you're doing this on cement, you want to have like a piece of cardboard to do it on, because apparently this stuff can hurt cement. So So now you basically just want to let this stuff sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And come and, as you can see, I've got a bucket of water here. I think it's leaking. But you got a bucket of water and you rinse it off and then scrape it, you know, go around it with your wire brush. And do the other side. So I'll be back when that's done. Alright guys, so I did what it said. I took this wire brush thingy and I went around the wheel. It came kind of clean, but like not good enough for like my liking. So I'm trying to put more of this oven cleaner on. As you can see, it's on there foaming up. And then I'm gonna let this sit for about like 15 or 20 minutes, and then come back and like wash it off and see how it turned out. So but it did, the stripper here, right there, it actually did work pretty good on the sprocket, as you can see. So the sprocket was originally gold, but then it was like painted so many times and stuff that it actually like broke down, and it's like silver underneath. But that's about as good as I'm going to get the sprocket. That's as good as I can possibly get it, so I'm just going to leave that alone for now. And now I'm just going to mainly work on the wheels. This wheel here, though, that one doesn't have to be perfect on that side, but the other side I want to be like pretty good. The same with this one, because this side here, this is where the sprocket goes. The sprocket goes like right there, so you'll never see that inside. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've just turned the wheels over and started on the other side of the wheels. And I've discovered that the stripper, the paint stripper, only really works for like light paint. It doesn't really work for like cleaning things up like this. So basically what I'm gonna have to do is buy some wheel bleach. So I'm gonna try and buy some of that. I'm gonna see where I can buy it, and then I'll buy some. And then I'll probably make another video on that. But this video is not over yet, so don't click away. But so I'm just gonna continue doing what I'm doing, and then I'll show you after I'm done. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm putting the rear sprocket back on. And as you can see, the rims are pretty clean, but I'm still going to buy some wheel acid just to get them perfect. Or almost perfect anyway. So yeah, I mean, I'm just going to finish putting this on now. Basically, when you take the sprocket off though, you want to have like a little Ziploc baggie like this. You can keep your bolts in, so you don't lose any of these lock washers or anything. And some water is going to come out of these holes also, because there's water in them. It's a little hard when the water's in there. Alright guys, so now as you can see, there's some water coming out of the holes, but that's okay. That'll be, I'll wipe that out right now. Let's see. So as you can see, when this is on, if it's like mine, then it'll be like flush with the bearing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And in the next video, I'm going to hopefully have a clutch by then, and also I'll get these. By the next video, I'll have these wheels perfect. So peace.